howdy, y'all. Can you guess where I've been shopping? We have a special guest appearance by a peahen. She's probably hiding from the boys who are all in heat right now. So, today's episode is Ubi Mania. Ubi. Trader Joe's has discovered people are crazy about ube, and some of their stuff I've had are really good. The ube covered pretzels are good. Some the ube striped sandwich cream cookie things. Pancakes. I made waffles with this. A little too sweet for me, and the more yummy than I've had on anything else ube. So they're okay. Your mileage may vary. These were actually tasty, but I have soft teeth and really crunchy, so I've only had a few. But today they had ube ice cream, purple yam flavored ice cream. If you're not familiar with ube, it is a purple yam from the Philippines, and it is actually pretty good. Where'd my peahen go? She left me. Anyway, they had this in stock today, and I had to try it. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my supper. It's got cholesterol, especially if you eat the whole container. And saturated fats. There's some sodium too, but there's vitamins, so it's healthy. One container contains 96% of your daily value of sugar. 48 grams, which is honestly about the same as a Mountain Dew, which is why I don't do Mountain Dews either. Anyway, peel off our lid here. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Ooh, it's a little melted. It's been on the motorcycle while I run errands. Okay, this may be the best ube item yet. That's good. Okay, yeah. I have to stop now because of all the sugar. This is my last spoonful, honest. That's a winner, y'all. It's hard to describe. It's the ube flavor. It's not, well, this is kind of yummy-ish. Bye, Miss Peahen. Thank you for visiting. There's about 30 in the neighborhood. Peacocks and peahens. But it's really not yummy. Other than that, it's slightly earthy but sweet flavoring. Of course, I'm sure they add a ton of sugar, but this one, darn good. Get you some. And that's today's episode, is Ube Mania! So, thanks for watching. Go and enjoy some ube, and we'll see you next time. Bye!